welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys, how can we change font size in our Poco phone. Once you want to change your font size in your Poco phone, so how can you change today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video, and first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video guys. First of all guys, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Guys, you can see your display setting guys, tap here and guys again scroll. Hence you can see your font size setting and text size setting guys, tap here. Once you want to change, so you can change from here guys. So why you want to change into guys any large and XL double XL size guys, you can change is largest size guys. You can see your font size will change in our Poco phone guys, new font size. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.